कभी ऐसा हुआ है साथ में कि you keep on thinking you really don't deserve this? I'm not talking about the negative experiences, even the positive ones. So you feel like, whatever I am doing, I'm not capable enough of doing this. Why am I here? Why am I doing this and that? All of those thoughts that, create a mess in your mind and actually ruin your day. So, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nirja Dikshit. I am a corporate trainer and learning and development specialist. So, it's been 3 years in this industry and slowly I'm gaining my pace. So, when it comes to trainings and all, please reach out to me. Alright, things apart, it's been a very long time since I have created a YouTube video. So, today we are going to talk about limiting beliefs. This has been happening with me quite a lot these days. Not just these days, it's been almost a few months now that I have been questioning my capabilities, my ability to do certain tasks that I have to do. I'm talking about career wise. But then there are certain moments where I am just questioning myself, my worth. Now, where does it come from? All of these are called limiting beliefs, and this is the beauty of being so self-aware that I know what is happening with me and I know how to actually tackle them. So in this video I'm going to talk about how can you overcome your limiting beliefs. See, this is inevitable that I cannot say to you that you will not have limiting beliefs at all. Do you understand? I can totally tell you that it will keep on happening, things will keep on happening in your life, these thoughts will keep on coming back to you, but then you will be at least aware. The most difficult part is when you are not aware of the things and you have to deal with them. So without any further delay, let's talk about these limiting beliefs. अच्छा, मैं एक कहानी आपको सुनाती हूँ. तो you must have seen or you have been to circus or sometimes must have seen the animals जिनको बांध के रखा जाता है रस्सी से. खूब बढ़िया बड़े बड़े एनिमल्स हैं, दे कैन रन अवे इफ दे वांट टू. तो लेकिन वो नहीं भागते. क्यों? क्योंकि जब वो छोटे थे दे वर एक्चुअली होल्ड a hostage, right? So they were already tied to a rope. जैसे कि सर्कस में एलिफेंट्स होते हैं या फिर कुछ भी होता है, कोई भी एनिमल होता है, लायन होता है, then they are tied to a rope, and then when they grow up they are growing with that rope. They actually don't want to escape that rope after they have enough strength to actually go away from that place. Same is the case with humans. We also remain in the places where we actually know that this is not good for me, this is harmful for me, but still I'm staying there. Something is holding you back, and what is that? It's all self-doubt, limiting beliefs. ये जो limiting beliefs हैं ये आते कहाँ से हैं actually? When we were kids, okay, everything I can say, all the traumatic experiences, any type of negative experiences stems from the treatment that we were given when we were young kids. तो जब छोटे होते थे, अच्छा कहीं पे मतलब मार्क्स कम आते थे तो यू वर कंपेयर्ड टू अदर किड्स हु वर वे इंटेलिजेंट देन यू, हु वर डूइंग रियली नाइस और वेल देन यू. आपको उनसे कंपेयर किया गया एंड देन यू मस्ट हैव बिलीव्ड कि अच्छा मैं तो बुद्धू हूँ तो मैं तो कर ही नहीं सकता कुछ, राइट? सो दीज थिंग्स कीप ऑन हैपनिंग एंड दीज कैन गो ऑन एक्सट्रीम लेवल अपार्ट फ्रॉम जस्ट मार्क्स. Sometimes people can definitely poke on your color, they can poke on your like anything, your physical features that you cannot even change. I remember one time what happened. So I have gaps in my teeth. This is my biggest insecurity, I can say so. I was having lunch with a few of my friends in canteen in school long time ago. So the reason why I do not forget such experiences, simply they leave a long lasting impression on your self-esteem. So I was having lunch with them and these girls, they were laughing and they were telling me, you do not look good when you smile. And I was too stunned to speak. What are you even saying? अगर आपको मैं अच्छी नहीं लगती when I smile, does that mean I should stop smiling? Little kid at that time, and imagine student who is just 12, 13 years old, and then you are telling them you do not look beautiful when you are smiling. What type of impression is that going to leave on them? So should I smile like this only? No, I'm gonna smile like this simply because I want to. These are my teeth. I don't want to, I like how I am. These are my physical features that God has already given me. And if in future, if I will feel like I can, I want to change my physical features, I will. That's my choice. That's my life, right? But then again, let's come back to the topic, which was about self-limiting beliefs. So this I could have taken in different manner, and there you must have seen a lot of stranger stories on Instagram and on social media where they will tell you ki they used to hide their body in big oversized clothes when they were fat or something, obese, right? Simply because they were called names. And then when you grow up, all these insecurities, they create these self-limiting beliefs which are very, very difficult to deal with. And I'm sure if you will reflect back on your life today also, you will find out certain thought patterns that are actually harming you, or you actually self-sabotage because of these patterns. So how can we actually tackle with them, and how did I overcome the situation where I used to be very insecure about my teeth, or I can say a lot of other physical features, I can say. So how did I actually overcome it, and how can you overcome such problems? Let's talk about some actionable steps. The first and foremost step is to surround yourself with people who actually truly value you, who are into uplifting you, who will not call you names, or who will not make fun of you simply in the name of just fun. Because you cannot give some type of insecurity to a person who is already struggling with that insecurity, and once you call them names, you are going to shatter their heart. And a lot of people are very insensitive. They actually don't care. They will just blurt out things out of their mouth. They have zero emotional intelligence, to be honest. And when they say things like this, it will just break your heart. You will be harmed. Kick them out of your life. It is as simple as that. This is the first and foremost thing. So we say that we are average of 5 people that we are surrounded with. So make sure that you are surrounded with people who are actually helping you to grow in your life rather than pulling you down. Now that being said, let's talk about the second step. I don't know how many of you can practice it now. Like, whosoever is watching this video, you may be a teen, or you may be an adult, or you may be a senior person, I can say. So whenever you have such thought patterns कि यार मुझे तो कुछ आता ही नहीं है यार, and मैं किसी को क्या सिखा सकता हूँ, या फिर मैं तो जो कर रहा हूँ वो मेरे लिए अच्छा नहीं है, या फिर मैं ये सब डिजर्व नहीं करता, फलाना ढिमकाना, ठीक है। जैसे ही आपके मन में ये सारे थॉट पैटर्न्स आए, यू हैव टू ब्रेक दी पैटर्न. Break the pattern. I'm repeating myself. You need to get up. For example, if right now, if I am having some negative thoughts, some limiting beliefs, I'm keeping on thinking about these things, and then I'm not happy and something is happening, I will quickly get up from my seat or wherever I am, or maybe you are laying down on a bed. You just get up from there. Okay, once you get up, that is called breaking the pattern. Once you get up, you will engage yourself in some other activity, and mind you, it is not avoiding the situation, it's about breaking the pattern. So you need to break the pattern, okay, and then you can indulge into some recreational activities afterwards. Third method that you need to understand, you really need to give yourself some positive reinforcement. And how can you do so? अपने बारे में never ever talk negatively. I am saying this क्योंकि मैं भी करती हूँ कई बारी, है ना, कि why did I do so, I could have done it this way or that way, और आप भी करते होंगे. I'm sure most of you must have been through the times where you are just cursing yourself, right? ऐसा बोलते हैं कि आपके ज़ुबान पे माँ सरस्वती का निवास होता है. So whatever you are speaking, it may come true. if you will keep on repeating this negative self-talk, if you will keep on cursing yourself all the time, things will be manifested in your life. मैं ये बोल रही हूँ एंड समटाइम्स आई डू दिस, बट आई नो कि आई नो हाउ टू एक्चुअली टर्न इट इनटू अ पॉजिटिव नोट. फाइनल नोट्स फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो इज, ये जितने भी आपके थॉट पैटर्न्स हैं जो नेगेटिवली आपको इम्पैक्ट करने हैं जीवन में, 3 चीज़ें मैंने बताई हैं. यू नीड टू डू इट ऑन द स्पॉट, यू नीड टू ट्राई इट आउट, एंड दैट इज़ हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू ओवरकम इट. ओके, so once you do these steps, let me know how is your experience, and I'm always available on Instagram if you have any questions or queries, of course. Not for a normal chit chat, so please reach out to me on Instagram, and do follow and subscribe. Let me know if there is any topic that you may want to discuss about. Keep on improving yourself, take care of yourself, kick out these limiting beliefs out of your life. Okay, bye bye, I'll see you in next video.